Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In case you're new here, my name is Maren.
And I'm Maureen.
Yeah, so in today's episode, we're in the streets of Nairobi and we want to ask Kenyans between Ethiopia and Eritrea, where would they prefer to live and work?
Yeah, most Kenyans know about Ethiopia, but how many of them actually know about Eritrea? In today's episode, you're going to be asking Kenyans where they'd rather live and work between Ethiopia and Eritrea. So come with us, let's go find out.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. What's your name?
My name is Maren. I like that. You're reversing the question.
Yeah.
But I know now by now they know you, Peter, right?
Yeah, I'm Peter.
Who tell them where they can find you?
On YouTube, TikTok, Instagram is just Peter Flex. Yeah, I'm just a content creator.
Okay, so Peter Flex. So today we want to get your opinions on about Ethiopia and Eritrea. So we are asking Kenyans, do you know the countries Ethiopia and Eritrea?
Yeah, I know Eritrea. I know of Ethiopia since they are countries from Africa. My own continent, sorry.
Okay.
Yep.
So what have you heard about Ethiopia and Eritrea, or what do you know about these two countries?
For what I know about Eritrea is that since independence, they have got only one president. There's only one president who leads from independence till today. So, what I can also say is that Eritrea gained independence from other country, African country. I may not say the country. That's the other thing. The other thing I may say of Eritrea is that the economy is not growing that fast compared to any other country in Africa. So that's what I know much about Eritrea.
Okay.
Yeah, and for the Ethiopians, it's much. I know
much to say.
Yeah, there's much to say. Okay, for the Ethiopians is that. What I know of Ethiopians is, first of all, their culture, whereby when you get to culture, we get to experience their food culture. Right. You know, Ethiopians have got the best, how do you call it, food recipes or food or meals you can ever find in Ethiopia. And Ethiopia have got good women so far. As a man, you have to see women as well. The other thing is that Ethiopia is one of the African countries which grows or plants one of the best coffee in the world.
All right.
Yeah.
I see you know much about Ethiopia. So we are asking today, the main question is, between Ethiopia and Eritrea, if you're given the opportunities to live and work, which country would you prefer?
Definitely Ethiopia. Since Ethiopia is a third world country, meaning that it's one of the fastest growing countries in Africa. And since I love coffee, I wanna go to Ethiopia, experience their coffee, and to have some good vibes with yes. And since I love eating and I love good food, maybe I can go to Ethiopia or go there to just experience the food, eat the food, enjoy. Maybe the other thing is, I may consider marrying
an Ethiopian lady.
Yeah, since they are beautiful, they're gorgeous, they have got such amazing ladies. So yeah, why not?
Okay.
I might chip in and do something.
All right.
Yeah.
So thank you so much for your time. Hi, how are you?
I'm good.
What's your name?
My name is Timothy.
Timothy.
Yeah.
Okay, so today we are asking Kenyans, do you know the country Ethiopia and Eritrea?
Yeah, of course I do know. I know Ethiopia and I know Eritrea.
What do you know about them, or what have you heard about them?
For the case of Ethiopia, I think it's a popular country in Africa.
Okay.
I think the more developed, the first developing country in Africa. I know they're good in athletics, marathon and all that.
Okay.
Yes, that's basically what I know about. And I think is the only country that was not colonized.
Yeah.
So I think that's standouts for Ethiopia.
Okay. And Eritrea, do you know anything about Eritrea?
Eritrea, I don't know much about Eritrea, but I think I've heard that it was part of Ethiopia. So, but I don't know much about it. But I think it's less developed than Ethiopia.
All right.
Yeah.
Okay, so today's main question is, if you're given the opportunity to choose living and working in either Ethiopia or Eritrea, which country would you prefer?
Personally, I'm choosing Ethiopia.
Is there a reason?
Because I feel like Ethiopia is more developed when you compare Ethiopia to Eritrea. So I think I'll choose Ethiopia just because it's more developed. I think its economy is growing faster than the rest of the countries. So yeah.
Okay. And if you're given a chance to visit Ethiopia right now, would you take it?
Yes, of course I will.
What would you look forward to seeing when you get to Ethiopia or experiencing?
Ethiopia, I think it's a like I feel like it's a cool country. I see they have like beautiful ladies in the country, so I think
You'd like to go experience that?
yeah.
Okay, Sasa. Thank you so much for your time. Hi, how are you?
Hello, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you. What's your name?
I'm Kwisi.
Kwisi. Okay, so today we are asking Kenyans. First of all, do you know the countries Ethiopia and Eritrea?
Yeah.
How do you know them, or what have you heard about them?
Both are Eastern African countries, and yeah, they have beautiful people. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so today we are asking Kenyans, if you're given the opportunity to choose to live and work in either Ethiopia or Eritrea, which country would you prefer?
I'll prefer maybe both, but Ethiopia more than Eritrea.
Okay.
Yeah.
Is there a reason?
Ethiopia, because maybe I have a little more information about Ethiopia more than Eritrea. Yeah.
What do you know about Ethiopia?
It has beautiful people. It has a beautiful capital city, Addis Ababa. It's more generally it's more developed than Eritrea. So I would like to stay in a country more developed. Yeah.
Okay. And is there anything you know about Eritrea?
Eritrea, I think they were maybe more the same with Ethiopia, but with the time maybe they separated. Yeah, and I know that they got their independence from Ethiopia. Yeah.
Sawa. Thank you so much for your time. Hi, how are you?
I'm fine.
What's your name?
My name's Wycliffe Okello.
Wycliffe Otieno.
Okello. Yeah.
Okay, so today we are asking Kenyans. First of all, do you know the countries Ethiopia and Eritrea?
Yeah, I know the two countries.
What do you know them for, or what have you heard about them?
Okay, Ethiopia, on my side, I know them through marathon and the coffee and their culture. Yeah.
Okay. And Eritrea, have you heard anything about Eritrea?
Eritrea, I've heard a lot, but somehow most of the things I'm not sure about it.
Which are some of these things you've heard about Eritrea that you're not sure about?
Yeah, like how they got the independence and the, how do we call it, development. Yeah.
What have you heard about that?
On my side, I heard they were colonized by Italians and then they got independent from Ethiopians.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sawa. So today we are asking Kenyans, between Ethiopia and Eritrea, which country would you prefer to live and work?
Okay, on my side, to me as a Kenyan, you know, I was born in Kenya and I love Kenya. And the country between Ethiopia and Eritrea, I choose Ethiopia.
Is there a reason?
Yeah, I have a reason. Because their culture is very cool. They are quiet people. They don't have many things like corruption in their country. Yeah.
Okay. So you'd prefer Ethiopia over Eritrea?
Yeah, I prefer Ethiopia over Eritrea.
Okay. So and if you're given an Ethiopian woman to marry or an Eritrean woman, who would you prefer?
To me, on my side, on marriage side, I have no problem. As long as I get the right one, the right person to me, I just marry.
Okay.
And I take the lady home. Yeah.
And would you like to visit this country, two countries given the opportunity?
The Eritrea and Ethiopia? Yeah, I wouldn't mind. I'll just go first to Ethiopia, then I finish from Eritrea.
Is there anything in particular you'd like to see or experience in Ethiopia?
Okay, in Ethiopia, I would like to experience their lifestyle, and then when I visit the Ethiopia, I learn many things from there so that I can know more about Ethiopia. Yeah.
So thank you so much for your time.